guys, this is Pooja Bera and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great and staying safe at home. Now, being a YouTuber is not easy. I have to look so much put together in front of camera, wearing a lot of makeup, applying a lot of heat appliances on my hair just to make it look perfect in front of camera, coloring my hair. ये सब चीज़ करने की वजह से ना मेरे hair की तो बैंड बज चुकी है. Literally, it have turned so much dry, frizzy, and I am facing a lot of problems with my hair. Since you guys know lockdown चल रहा है, I can't step out of my home, book up salon का spa treatment for myself. That is not possible in real. So that is why I was hunting for some treatment that I could do at my home that would definitely give me a hair spa treatment wala results. Finally, I'm glad to share with you guys that I found a very promising product that gives the professional hair spa treatment at home. Now this product is from Biolage and it is their deep treatment hair packs. Normally कोई भी shampoo लगाता है, conditioner लगाता है. Trust me guys, these things are not sufficient for our hair. Our hair needs some extra nourishment, extra care. This deep treatment hair packs gives more than 90% care than a conditioner. That is why I recommend you guys to start using this product. Now I have got my hands on 3 variants of this Biolage deep treatment hair packs. First one is the Biolage Ultra Hydra Source, a pack. Now it contains goodness of aloe vera and spirulina extract. If you guys don't know, these ingredients are very much helpful for our hair growth and also leaves our hair texture smooth and soft. Now I prefer using this during weekends because weekends को मैं consider करती हूँ अपना self care pamper session. That's when I use this treatment pack. Now this is recommended to be used for dry hair. So ऐसे डेज जहाँ पे मेरे हेयर काफ़ी ज़्यादा ड्राई लगते हो तो आई गो अहेड एंड यूज़ दिस हेयर ट्रीटमेंट पैक. Now hook to the video till the end because I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I like to apply it on my hair for best results. Now the second deep treatment pack which I've got my hands on is a smooth proof pack. Now it contains goodness of camellia and castor oil. Castor oil promotes a lot of hair growth. Also it strengthens the hair from within. For those whose hair are frizzy, I would definitely recommend you guys to use this hair pack. Since monsoon season is round the corner, our hair is tend to get frizzier. अगर आप कहीं भी बाहर जाते हो, थोड़ी भी बारिश की बूंदें गिर जाती है तो इट इज़ प्रोबेबल कि आपका हेयर फ्रिजी टर्न हो. सो उस वक्त यू गाइस कुड गो अहेड एंड यूज़ दिस स्मूथ प्रूफ पैक. एज द नेम सजेस्ट, आपका जो हेयर का टेक्सचर है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्मूथ हो जाएगा. आपका जो हेयर है that could breathe from within using this hair pack. Last variant is this Color Last pack. It contains orchid and apricot seeds. Since you guys know I have a color treated hair, that's why I use this particular hair pack. It helps to improve the moisture level within the hair. Not only this, it also smoothens and softens the hair. Also reduces the hair breakage and retains the hair color. सिंस यू गाइज नो, जब कभी भी आप हेयर कलरिंग करते हो बहुत सारे वॉशेस के बाद आपके जो हेयर कलर है वो लाइट होते जाता है. बट यूजिंग दिस यू आर 100% going to retain your hair color. Deep treatment packs use करोगे तो you are definitely going to see a huge difference. Now why I have shown 3 variants in this video? Of course सबके hair types अलग अलग हैं, सबको अलग अलग hair problems face करने पड़ते हैं. किसी के hair काफ़ी ज़्यादा dry होते हैं, किसी के frizzy होते हैं, किसी के oily होते हैं, किसी के color treated hair होते हैं. So that's why I went ahead and showed this 3 variants. And of course this product comes in a very affordable range. It retails for just rupees 350 and it's definitely going to last you longer. Audience can pick the products as per their hair type. After applying a shampoo, I like to rinse off, section out the hair. Along with that, I like to give it a twist. Use twist infuse technique so that the product could infuse better into the hair. Not only this, I love to keep it on my hair for around 3 minutes. Oh my god, the results are literally shocking. मैं इतना सब कुछ बोल रही हूँ, आप मानोगे तो नहीं. I would definitely love to give you guys a proof on that. This is how my hair looked before and this is the after. The results are evident. My hair right now feels healthy, So that is what I always wanted for my hair. I hope you guys would also indulge in this Sunday hair care pamper session. I'll make sure to link the product details in the description box below. In case you're interested, you guys could go ahead and purchase it out. In case you guys are going to try it out, do let me know in the comments down. I would love to know about it. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram and I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.